Right. Okay, lamai. Now rate of reaction means. Okay, abhi start karanne yanne rate of reaction unit එක. Our 17th unit, grade 10 syllabus, 17th unit එක. Rate of reaction. Okay, now each and every reaction which results even in our environment or in our laboratory, I mean natural reactions or even any artificial reaction, take some time, need some time duration in order to complete its reaction. පුතේ reaction එකක් complete කරන්න එයාට time එකක් ඕනි වෙනවා. reaction එකක් complete කරන්න එයාට අනිවාර්යයෙන්ම time එකක් ඕනි වෙනවා. Right? So now what we call a reaction, අපි මොකක්ද දරුවෝ reaction එකක් කියලා කියන්නේ. Now just imagine A and B. This A and B combines and or the reaction forms AB. This form AB. So here in your left hand side you can observe reactants. You can observe reactants, while your right hand side you can observe the products. You can observe the products. Here you can observe the products, here the reactants. Reactants and the products. Okay, you can observe reactants and the products. Right, now with the reactants, basically these reactants are the things, are the compounds, maybe like solids, liquids or gases, which are possible to react with others. මේ දෙන්න react වෙන්නේ නැත්නම් මේ reaction එක වෙන්නේ නැහැ. So therefore there should be a possibility in order to take place a reaction in between this A and B, then only this AB will result. Or even you can name it as C. AB එකතු වෙලා C හැදෙනවා කියන්න පුළුවන්. AB එකතු වෙලා C හැදෙනවා කියන්න පුළුවන්. Right? Got it? Okay, now simple example, very simple example, sodium plus chlorine, right, Na plus Cl minus, this will result sodium chloride molecule. This will result sodium chloride molecule. That is the product. These are the reactants. These are the reactants. Okay, these are the reactants. So now even inside our body many reactions takes place. Even in plants you guys can observe many reactions. Even in plants you guys can observe many reactions taking place. Now as an example, very good one, photosynthesis. Photosynthesis process which produce food and as a byproduct oxygen by reacting carbon dioxide, water, and as the energy source sunlight with the presence of chlorophyll. So මේම පුතේ reactions ටිකක් complex reactions, not like this, but anyhow each and every reaction you guys can observe reactants, products, and sometimes the energy. So you need these sort of things, or even this site when only තැනක්. Okay, right. පුතේ අපි චූටි note එකක් දාගෙන අපි discuss කරන්න පටන් ගමු. And then one other thing, but even you can observe some reactions which are very fast, very fast reaction. And also, but some reactions are there very slow. They are very slow, right? So Puti, now the rate of reaction means now in a reaction what will happen, the reactants will convert into the products, will convert into the products. So what will happen? The rate of conversion of reactants, rate of conversion of reactants to the products, what we call rate of reaction, or even rate of making or the synthesis of rate of resulting products from the reactants. This is what we call rate of reaction. පුතේ rate of reaction එක කියන්න පුළුවන් විදි දෙකක් තියෙනවානේ. එකක් තමයි reactants කොච්චර ඉක්මනකින් products වලට පත් වෙනවද කියන එක. Conversion of reactants to the products. Sorry, මේක මෙහෙම නෙමෙයි අපි මෙහෙම ලියමු. හරි. Right. මේක ඇතුලේ දෙකක් තියෙනවානේ. එකක් තමයි reactants නැති වෙන rate එක, අනිත් එක තමයි products ඇති වෙන rate එක. reactants ඇති වෙන rate එක කීවත් එකයි, products ඇති වෙන rate එක කීවත් එකයි. reactants නැති වෙනවා, products ඇති වෙනවා. Simple. Okay, we'll write. අපි ලියාගමු පුතේ. Would you write this? Chemical reaction is a process. Chemical reaction is a process. Chemical reaction is a process. Chemical reaction is a process in which one or more substances the reactants are converted to one or more different substances. One or more different substances the products, This is the chemical reaction. This is about the chemical reaction. පුතේ ඊළඟ point එක දාගන්න. Next point. The reaction rate O, rate of reaction is the rate of reaction is the speed at which a chemical reaction takes place. The reaction rate O, rate of reaction is the speed at which a chemical reaction takes place. Chemical reaction takes place. Takes place. Full stop. Full stop. That's it. Hari? Right. Today, kata kare about a chemical reaction and small about rate of reaction. Right. Then write these examples. Not the example, activity. Right. Here you have the fast reactions and the slow reactions. Fast reactions and the slow reactions. Number 1, 2, 3, 4. With a refer කරන්න ඔයාලගේ page number 115. Refer කරන්න page number 115 and then could you please categorize these reactions as fast reactions and slow reactions? Could you please categorize? Categorize the fast reactions and slow reactions කියලා. Hurry up. Page number 115. You guys can refer page number 115. I'll give 2-3 minutes. Hurry up. Read and then categorize. Hurry up. You need to make this table also. ඉක්මන් කරන්න. Hurry up, Puti. හරිය පුතේ. හරි ටයිම් ඇති නේද? පුතේ ටයිම් එක ඇති. හරි. මේ අහන්නකෝ. කියන්න බලන්න මොනවද ඔයාලා ලිව්වේ කියලා. fast reactions බලමු. rusting of iron. fast the slow the rusting of iron කියන්නේ පුතේ slow process එකක්. slow reaction. ripening of fruits. පළතුරු ඉදෙනවද ෂණිකව? නෑ. එහෙනම් slow reaction එකක්. digestion of food. ඉක්මනින් වෙනවද? No. kind of slow reaction. manufacturing yogurt from milk. slow reaction. burning firewood. firewood burn වෙන එක comparatively නම් fast. මෙයාලත් එක්ක බැලුවාම නම් fast but still ලොකු fast එකක් නැති නිසා slow reaction. reaction of a zinc with dilute acid. fast reaction. reaction of sodium metal with water, fast reaction. ignition of petrol, fast reaction. blast of a cracker. රචිනියක් පුපුරන එක slow reaction නෙමෙයි, fast reaction. It's a fast reaction. Right? Hari. Hari neda putte. ලියාගන්න ඊළඟ topic එක components of a reaction. Components of a reaction. Right, number 1. H2O plus carbon dioxide. Sunlight here and chlorophyll here. Now what will happen? Glucose plus oxygen gas. Kind of balanced chemical equation. මේ තියෙන්නේ ඔයාලගේ exam එකට අහන balance chemical equation එක. පුතේ මෙන්න මේවට අපි කියනවා left and right side එකේ තියෙනවට කියනවා reactants. Your right hand side products. According to this reaction, oxygen is the byproduct. This is the main product. And the chlorophyll mean the site of reaction. Sunlight means the energy. Sunlight කියන්නේ source of energy. ඉක්මන් කරමු පුතේ ලියාගමු. Reactants, products, energy and the site of reaction. හැම reaction එකකම site of reaction එකක් එහෙම දෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරිද? එහෙම දෙන්නේ නැහැ. හරි අප ළමයි. Write the balanced chemical equation. ළමයි hurry up. හරි නේද පුතේ? Right. So now look. මේ බලන්නකෝ. So in this case, what will happen to the products? yes, products එන්න වැඩි වෙන්න ඕනේ නේද? The rate of this reaction can be determined by the speed of reactants or speed of loss of reactants or by the speed of formation of products formation of products. Therefore, the rate of reaction is the amount of change occurred in unit time. Amount of change occurred in unit time. Very simple. ලියාගන්න. හරි අපි ඉක්මන් කරමු. පුතේ මේවා මේ හරිම ලේසි compounds හරිම ලේසි පාඩම්. හරිද? තියරි පාර්ට් එකක් තියෙනවා, චූටි තියරි පාර්ට් එකක් තියෙනවා. ඉතින් මේවා හරිම ලේසි. හරි? ලේසියෙන් ඔයාලට මේවා කරගන්න පුළුවන්. right? හරියට. හරි අපි ළමයි. So the rate of reaction can be determined by the speed of reactants or by the speed of formation of product. මෙයාලා නැති වෙන එක ගන්නත් පුළුවන්, මෙයාලා form වෙන එක ගන්නත් පුළුවන්. දෙකම equal නේ. So therefore the rate of reaction is the amount of change occurred in a unit time. හරියට. ඉක්මන් කරන්න දරුවෝ. right? හරි නේද දරුවෝ? ඉතින් අපිට පුළුවන් මෙයාව equation එකකින් පෙන්නන්න very simply like this. Right. Look at this. Rate of reaction equals amount of reactants used up divided by the time taken, or rate of reaction equals amount of products formed divided by the time taken. ඉක්මන් කරලා ලියමු. හරියට ළමයි. පුතේ ඉක්මන් කරන්න. හරියට පුතේ. right. හරි ළමයි. Now, rate of reaction equals the amount of reactants used up divided by the time taken, no. Amount of products forms divided by the time taken, no. Okay. So, there are some other factors which are responsible for this rate of reaction, which responsible or which determines the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. Okay, got it? Right. Would you write this topic? Factors affecting the rate of reaction. Number one, surface area of the reactants. Number two, temperature at which the reaction takes place. Number three, concentration of reactants. But in the gases, the pressure. Last one, the presence of catalyst. හරි ළමයි මෙන්න මේ factors ගැන අපි එකින් එක කතා කරන්න ඕනේ. Okay? Got it? තේරුණාද පුතේ? මේවා එකින් එක අපි discuss කරන්න ඕනේ. One by one we need to discuss. Right, look at this. The surface area of the reactants. Now, higher the surface area, higher the rate of reaction. ඇයි පුතේ rate of reaction එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ surface area එක වැඩි වුණොත්. මොකක්ද ඒක reason එක? Very good example එකක් මම කියන්නම්. Very simple and good example. Now just imagine you guys need to make a cup of tea and need to add 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Right? හරි. දැන් ඔය ඔතන තියෙනවා 10 grams of sugar. අපි හිතමුකෝ 10 grams of sugar ඔයාලා add කරන්න ඕනි tea එකට. Now you have two options. One is that you can have normal sugar flakes සීනි කැට ගන්නත් පුළුවන්, or even other than you can have another option. You can use some powdered sugar. So what do you think? Which one shows the higher rate of dissolution? කවුද ඉක්මනින්ම දිය වෙන්නේ? Sugar crystals, the sugar powder. 10 grams of sugar crystals or the 10 grams of sugar powder? What do you think? Yes? What do you guys think? Pute, sugar powder dissolves much quicker than that of the sugar flakes. The reason is that the surface area of the sugar crystals is much more lower than that of the surface area of sugar powder. ඇයි පුතේ powder කරාම එයාව අපි ගොඩක් චූටි particles වලට කැඩෙනවනේ powder කියන්නේ. හැබැයි ක්‍රිස්ටල් එකක් ගත්තොත් එයා එක ලොකු කැටයක් විතරයි මේ වගේ ක්‍රිස්ටල් එකක් විතරයි අරක චූටි fine particles so therefore you guys can observe a higher dissolution rate higher rate of reaction with powdered form so in powdered form you observe the higher surface area than that of all the other forms okay right then the temperature normally the temperature with higher temperature the reaction rates will accelerate right? And the concentration of reactants now the concentration of reactants mean the amount of reactants in that medium the reactants වැඩි වුණොත් නේ rate එක වැඩි වෙන්නේ then the presence of catalyst with a catalyst are the substances which can accelerate the rate of reaction and it just remains even after the reaction එකට සහභාගී වෙන්නේ නැහැ හැබැයි accelerate කරන්න පුළුවන් rate of reaction so that's all about the factors affecting the rate of reactions next time we'll discuss one by one in detail making එක අපි in detail කතා කරමු ඊළඟ okay guys then please complete your homeworks our last lesson එකේ activity එක exercise එක you guys need to complete that's all so next week එකේදී අපි meet වෙමු see you then have a nice week okay guys goodbye